Vince and I are doing a trip. We're going to start in Colac train station and we are going to ride up the Old Beechy Rail Trail through Gellibrand, then up to Beech Forest. I'm actually testing out my new bike that I've just built this week, which is a Surly Krampus. Alright. This road is very close looking. So far the review on this bike, new Power Arc saddle, slightly more upright sitting on the Krampus with the Soma Dream Riser bars, feeling super comfy. This is pretty nice. Oh, it's a mountain bike again. Here we go. Old Beechy Rail Trail in the forest. This is sort of what I expected it to be. We are flying down here. Oh, woo. Had to happen sooner or later when you're heading towards the Otways in the lowlands of Colac. We're just turning up into Gellibrand, about 25 k's in. Climbing has begun. We've got a 12k climb, 400 metres coming up, and another 8k climb after that. A little bit of work to do now. Absolutely cracking view out there. Looking nice and clear off to the southwest. I can see sunshine that way. We might even avoid the rain. Getting a bit dark and wet. Let's get this last bit of climbing out of the way. You're getting dark very quickly down here. Might be time. Turn some lights. There we go. What I used to do the Old Beechy on. Nice, and the weather's just turned to absolute shit for us. So it's after 6 o'clock, it's definitely not dark yet. But I'll tell you what, when you go into the forest here, it goes from day to night very quickly. This is a nugget. It's always a bit of an adventure, eh? Ditchley with Ditchley. So we are just filtering some water at the Beech Forest Information Centre. So it's dark and she's cold. Lovely morning, had a little stop in the California redwoods, have a little cruise. Vinnies are already stacked, so that's good. Got that out of the way, Vinny. As you can see on my Garmin here, the 520, we are off course, if you can read that. The roads are a bit different up here because they've just been logged, but fortunately Vince has the 1030 and we can actually renegotiate back to our path which we had planned. I think the 1030 is a good option to have if you're doing this sort of trip, because the old GPX file is a guide unless you've been out here before. Top of Seaview Rd. Slightly sketchy down here, eh bro? Somebody is taking a long time to cross the road. So nice, man. Great little stop at the Gellibrand general store for a bloody nice coffee and a vegetable roll. This has to be one of the last hills back to Colac. There's probably a couple more, but definitely the big one. So good having all the options here. I'm loving this handlebar setup. You get to tweak your position every few minutes. It's bloody nice. And this low down position here is awesome for this sort of climbing. Another cool thing about the Beechy Rail Trail, you've got all this history along the way. Just have to say thanks everyone for watching the channel. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Throw me a comment. If you want a GPX file of our route or anything like that, happy to share. Definitely worth coming out for the Old Beechy Rail Trail. It's a pretty fun cruise actually. Nothing too difficult. Stunning country to ride through. What a view! Old Beechy Rail Trail, we have made it to Colac. That was awesome.